Do you know why cocoa coir is an environmentally friendly substrate? Because it is made by recycling byproducts from the coconut industry.
Tammy and I will show you how our cocoa-based substrate is produced and how this process affects its structure. First of all, the ripened coconuts are harvested. To produce the substrate, we use the exocarp and the mesocarp. First, the edible part must be separated from the husk by a peeling process. Later, the husks are immersed in water to swell and soften the fibers. Finally, a process called wet milling is performed to separate the longer fibers needed for manufacturing products, while the remains of this process, that is, cocoa peat, short fibers, and chips, are washed, buffered, and, finally, let to dry in the sun. The different fiber sizes left from this manufacturing process are the key to some of the benefits that cocoa substrate presents.
If you want to know more, don't miss our next video. If you liked this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share and follow our social networks. Thanks for watching.